Hey guys, so I am Kay So Fine, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do goddess braids. Um, so I'm splitting the hair in three different sections. The hair that I'll be using is Queen Bee 60-inch braiding hair. This is Canacolon braiding hair. You can use different hair, but I prefer the Queen Bee braiding. So what I'm doing is splitting the hair into two different sections, but it'll be three different strands of hair. The piece that I left out at the top, I'm going to put it in the middle and then proceed braiding overhanded with my three strands. And I'm just going to try that method all the way until the finish of this braid. So I know you guys can't see what I'm doing. This is my first video, and the next one I assure you will be better. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I am going to grab a needle and thread for hair, and I am going to sew her braids together. So this is the thread, this is the needle, and I am going to loop it up under the braid and then back through the braid to kind of tuck away some of that thread so you can't really see it. And you want to make sure you go through each braid a couple times just to make sure that it's secure. Otherwise, sometimes it will spread apart. And then we're going to do the same thing with the last braid. Back through that third one. And again. And now we're going to go up under. I like tying it off under the braid that kind of hide the knot. Okay guys, so the gel that I'm using is Pro Style Gel. It may look like I'm using a lot. It's not as much as it seems, I promise you. It's just that the way that the light is showing up on it. Make sure that you do use enough so that you can lay the client's edges properly. All right, guys, and so these are my goddess braids. I will spin her around so you guys can get a better look at it. But these are goddess braids, and as you can see, it's not that much gel. It's just enough to lay her edges. I haven't yet dipped her ends, but this is what it looks like, guys. So I hope that was helpful. I hope you guys like it. I will be posting many more tutorials. Please, please, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe so we can keep these videos coming. I am K So Fine. You can also find me on Facebook at Kim Joseph. Thanks for watching, guys.